Namaste, Hamisha Khush raho betiya. My name is Manisha Singh. Today I am teaching you other functional ingredients in foods, fatty acids. So, fatty acid is an important component of the lipids in plants, animals, and microorganisms. Generally, a fatty acid consists of a straight chain of an even number of carbon atoms with hydrogen atoms along with the length of the chain, and at one end of the chain and a carboxyl group at the another end. It is that carboxyl group that makes it an acid. If the carbon to carbon bonds are all single, the acid is saturated. If any of the bonds is double or triple, the acid is unsaturated and is more reactive. A few fatty acids have branched chains, others contain ring structures. Fatty acids are not found in a free state in nature. Commonly, they exist in combination with glycerol in the form of triglyceride. Interest in omega 3 fatty acids can be traced to observational studies of Greenland Inuits conducted in the late 1970s. The low occurrence of the coronary heart disease in this Eskimo population was attributed to their traditional diet of marine animals and fish. Such food sources are rich in omega 3 fatty acids called eicosapentaenoic acid and docosahexaenoic acid. Other population studies have also shown that cultures with high fish consumption, such as Alaskans and the Japanese, have similarly low rates of CHD mortality. Omega 3 fatty acids are probably known best for their heart health benefits. However, a growing body of research suggests that omega 3 fatty acids may provide benefits beyond reducing the risk of cardiovascular disease, such as lowering the risk of developing certain cancers, neurological disorders, and complications from metabolic syndrome and diabetes, improved bone health among older adults, healthy pregnancy outcomes, and good visual acuity and cognitive development among infants have also been observed in some studies. Then, understanding the role of omega 3 fatty acids in health begins with knowledge of the chemical makeup of certain fatty acids. Omega 3 fatty acids are long chain polyunsaturated fatty acids that include alpha linolenic acid, EPA, and DHA. The human body cannot synthesize ALA, making it an essential fatty acid because it needs to be obtained from dietary sources. ALA can be converted by the body into EPA and DHA, but the amounts are not significant. LC-PUFAs comprise about 20% of the brain's dry weight and are critical for healthy brain development and function. A deficiency of omega 3 fatty acids may result in neurologic abnormalities and growth retardation. Omega 6 fatty acids comprise another class of LC-PUFAs. Major food sources of each type of LC-PUFA is given in this table. Omega 3 includes the alpha linolenic acid, eicosapentaenoic acid, docosahexaenoic acid, and omega 3 includes the linolenic acid, gamma linolenic acid, and arachidonic acid. Health effects of omega 3 fatty acids is the cardiovascular benefits from omega 3 fatty acid consumption have been attributed to their anti-inflammatory and anti-clotting effects as documented in several prospective studies and randomized clinical traits. Moderate fish consumption and fish oil supplementation raised blood levels of DHA and slowed down the progression of abnormal thickening of artery walls due to the fatty deposits. A lower incidence of irregular heartbeats were another protective effect attributed to omega 3 fatty acids among patients with diabetes and metabolic syndrome, conditions that increase the risk for developing cardiovascular disease. Omega 3 fatty acid consumption helped lower blood levels of triglycerides and cholesterol. Hope you all are satisfied with this session. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. If you have any query, please mention it in a comment box. I will resolve them whenever we have a live session. Thank you so much for watching this.